that the Independent Police Oversight Authority must expedite investigations into all these incidents, including allegations of mass murder by police in Githurai and in Rongai. We were shocked to watch the President claim on live television that only one life was lost. It tells you how out of touch with reality he is. Number 5, that in our view, what happened on the 25th of June 2024 amounted to a vote of no confidence in the Ruto regime. It is clear that this fact is totally lost on Ruto. It is reflected in his petulant proposals on how we manage our economy following the rejection of his tax bill. Instead of focusing on cutting wastage, opulence and corruption in his regime, he is hitting back at the Kenyan people with threats to cut funding for the judiciary and the county governments. 6, that the ODM party will support credible austerity measures in the executive and in parliament. These two institutions have been expressly indicted by the people as citadels of largesse and wastage, with fresh memory of the invasion of parliament and standing threats for occupation of the executive seat of power. These two institutions must have an honest introspection on their contribution to our current predicament and take measures to lessen the taxpayers' burden. As a party funded by taxpayers ourselves, we will also be taking steps to scale down on our presence across the country and some of our activities to reflect this new economic reality. Lastly, that ODM shall initiate and lead recall processes in the following constituencies in light of the current office holders' repeated violation of their sacred oath and the wishes of their electorate. Number 1, Game constituency. Number 2, Bondo constituency. Number 3, Navaholo constituency. Number 4, Kajiado Central. Number 5, Ikolomani. And lastly, Suba South in Homa Bay. Thank you. That is the end of the statement.
Very good. Yeah, we do.
Eric.
My name is Jeff.
Jeff, yes. Sorry.
I've seen the minority leader and the minority leader in the National Assembly. And during this time of crisis, when Kenyans are asking, the Parliament, National Assembly, have to go for a recess during this period. What actually transpired? Because when that decision was being made, there was a blackout in Parliament in terms of coverage. The media was not allowed to cover that section.
Kirui, can I first take questions that are related to the statement we've read? Brian?
Yeah, I'm Brian Otieno from the Standard. Now, you said that you support the demands by the youths. One among the demands is the resignation of President Ruto. Do you support that?
The youth have spoken in clear and certain terms. Let us not pretend like we don't hear what they are saying. You have heard it, we have heard it, Ruto has heard it.
Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah, the second question was that the kind of environment that the president is enabling right now, the suppression through police, do you think it supports his calls for dialogue?
No, because nobody believes what the president is saying. His actions and words are totally different. And what we have called for in our statement, first of all, is he must publicly speak to his police, publicly, and tell them that he knows what they are doing and Kenyans have asked that he stop. So if he doesn't stop that, really, there is really nothing to discuss. Many of the people he's looking for to have a discussion with are actually in custody. Yeah. Let's look.
You have listed some 5 constituencies that you are going to initiate the recall to.
6. Yes.
I know they are not the only ones who voted yes from the party. How did you arrive at the 5? And then secondly,
yes, the criteria was very simple. In our statement, we have said repeat offenders. Those who voted against the wishes of the people in 2023 and again did it in 2024 because there are a few who met their Damascus moments this year.
There are some who voted no.
Yes, this is the criteria we have applied the look, and we want to be able to focus on these 6 as a lesson to all the others. Is there any other question?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Asanteni sana. We were in a meeting with the parties. And today it was
Oh, okay. Τώρα το μου έπαιρνε ρε ζουκώματα. Μου έπαιρνε ζουκώματα.
Thank you.